How to download YouTube members-only videos, step-by-step, official way. In this quick video, I'll show you the official, legitimate ways to access and download YouTube members-only videos. There's an important truth you need to know first. YouTube members-only videos are locked behind a paywall. There is no official way to download them without paying for membership or having legitimate access. Any website or tool claiming to download members-only videos for free without membership violates YouTube's terms of service. I won't show you those methods. Instead, here are the official ways. Step 1. Find the YouTube channel offering members-only content. Step 2. Click the Join button below the channel name. Step 3. Select a membership tier. Prices vary by creator, typically $3 to $15 per month. Step 4. Complete payment. Once approved, you have access to all members-only videos. Step 5. Download. Open the members-only video. Click the three-dot menu. Select Download if available. Choose your quality. Download completes. Many YouTube channels offer 1 to 7 days free membership trial. Step 1. Click the Join button on the channel. Step 2. Look for the free trial option before payment. Step 3. Enter your payment info. You won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. Step 4. Watch and download members-only videos during your trial. Step 5. Remember to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. During live streams, creators sometimes gift memberships to random viewers. Step 1. Join the creator's live stream. Step 2. Enable accept gift memberships in your settings. Step 3. You might randomly receive a 1-month free membership. Step 4. Access members-only content during your gifted membership period. YouTube Premium subscribers get access to YouTube Premium exclusive shows, not channel memberships. Step 1. Subscribe to YouTube Premium. Monthly cost varies by region. Step 2. Access YouTube Premium exclusive content like original shows and documentaries. Step 3. Download for offline viewing using YouTube's official download feature. YouTube Premium is different from channel memberships. YouTube Premium gives access to YouTube's exclusive content, not individual creators' members-only videos. Channel memberships are specific to each creator. Do not use third-party download tools claiming to bypass membership walls. These violate YouTube's terms of service. Do not use VPNs or proxy tricks. Memberships are account-based, not location-based. Do not search for free membership generators. These are scams with malware. Do not use screen recording tools to save copyrighted members-only content. This may violate copyright. Official Method 1. Pay for channel membership. Access members-only videos, download them. Official Method 2. Use free trial. Access content, download, cancel before billing. Official Method 3. Receive gift membership during livestream. Download content. Official Method 4. Get YouTube Premium for YouTube exclusive content only. There is no free official way without membership. If this helped clarify the official methods, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me if you're a member of any YouTube channels. Thanks for watching.